Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Lena. I'm doing videos about luxury, lifestyle and travel. In today's video, I will share with you my Louis Vuitton bag and also give you a review, pros and cons, and also my shots. This bag is Boite Chapeau Souple. I don't think I pronounced it correctly. I'm gonna have it insert here. This bag is inside MM and it is in monogram coated canvas. It is a very classic bag. I love it. Looks stunning. I'm gonna show you a quick tour of this bag. It comes with the luggage tab. If you write on some piece of paper and insert it in here, which I never did, it has a raised logo, LV logo in gold tone hardware. It has long strap, detachable and adjustable. Each side it has 3 holes. Both ends of the strap has 3 holes on it. It doesn't have feet. It has vachetta trimming, which is natural cowhide, untreated leather, so they would get patina over time. It has a back pocket here in vachetta leather. This bag is in round shape, but it has flat bottom, so it can stand up. This bag is resembled the classic hat box. It has the details of the trunk style. It is a beautiful bag, very sleek, very modern. It comes with the zipper with the 2 pull tabs. Let me show you the inside of the bag. It has microfiber lining. Inside, I have the bag organizer in here. Let me take it out and show you. It has 1 slip pocket, just 1 big compartment in light beige color. This piece is made in Italy. This bag came out about 2 years ago, I think. And I purchased it on Mother's Day when I traveled forward to Philadelphia. I purchased this bag at the Louis Vuitton store at King of Prussia in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania state. I love that mall. It is 2 stories mall and it is so big. I go to that mall every time I travel back there for work. This bag was purchased during the trip there right on Mother's Day because I traveled for work that month. This was very popular around that time. I didn't expect that I could buy it at the store at that time. I actually wanted to buy a smaller one, the petite size. It was in trunk style, but when they showed me both, I chose this size because it is softer, it's more practical. When they showed me both, so I tried to put my phone in. I didn't have the 11 Pro Max at that time, but it was big. I think it was a 7, iPhone 7 at that time. I think, don't remember exactly. But I tried to fit my phone in, and my phone fits in this bag perfectly, but not the other one. The other one I like because it has the handle. It is in a trunk style and has the handle. This one doesn't have the handle. That is one of the cons, I think. Not really. I really like bags with handle, but you know, so since this bag is so stunning, I decided to get it even when it doesn't come with the handle. For me, since this bag is less structured, it's more practical, it's more usable. We can get more use out of it. I purchased this bag before I took the trip back to Vietnam. So I took this bag with me for the trip, and I was so glad that I took this bag with me because It was very easy to style with. I could wear it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. I know that this bag could turn into a backpack. I tried, but I never use it that way. I only use it as a shoulder bag, but mostly as a crossbody bag. Because in Vietnam, you know, when you travel, you want to have your hands free, so I can take a lot of pictures, or, you know, it's just more practical for me that way. Because it's not so structured, so it is very comfortable to wear it as a crossbody bag. I love it when I took it with me for the trip. It is so classic and also very versatile. And also this is much more affordable with the other one, because it in the trunk style. It although it's smaller, it still costs much more than this size. This size is much bigger, but because it's in softer style, it costs less. So it's much more affordable as an everyday use bag. I don't really see any cons about this bag. The only thing that I would love to have from this bag is a handle, and yeah, nothing else. And the leather. Oh, because it doesn't have feet in the bottom, so every time I put it down on the table or somewhere, I have to be more careful because it has vachetta treated leather piece on the bottom here. So you may easily get watermarked. Before I took it back to Vietnam, I didn't spray on anything to protect the vachetta, so I got some watermarks on here and a little bit on the back, also on the strap, but it just adds more characteristic to it, because every time I look at the luggage tag, I remember that it was from the trip back to Vietnam last year. It just adds memory to the bag. And this pocket right here, it is very small, so I didn't really want to stretch it out by putting my phone in. Although it fits my phone Pro Max 11, half of the phone, I still don't want to put my phone in here, so I can keep it tight and neat. Sometimes I just put the parking ticket or some receipt in here, but very rare. This bag also comes with the lock. I always have it in the dust bag. I never put it on. It's just nice to have it, but I don't really use it. Look at this cute lock. It has Louis Vuitton Paris in one side and the LV logo on one side. It also comes with 2 keys. And in this dust bag, they have 2 separate pockets. One to store the key and one to store the lock. Very clever. So I usually just have this key and lock in my bag. Let me show you how I would make this bag into a backpack. I just take the luggage tag off. If you look at the middle here, you can see the hole in the middle of the strap. Here we go. Now we have a backpack. Since the bag is deep and the opening is tight, it is harder to clean out the bottom, and also because it is made of the microfiber lining, it's not easy to clean out completely. So I purchased this felt organizer to put in it. This felt organizer also comes with a slip pocket. So it is a good idea to have this organizer in here so it can keep the bag clean and neat. Let me show you what would fit inside this bag. First, I have the sunglasses in a soft case. I have a 6-key ring holder. I have my phone 11 Pro Max. I have my toiletry pouch in size 15. They fit perfectly in here. I'm gonna take one by one out so you can see. I have my midi pochette. I use this bag almost every day when I was in Vietnam, so it got patina a lot. You can see the honeycomb color on the strap and on the luggage tab. Because it's super hot in Vietnam with my hands sweating and the oil, that's what makes the vachetta pieces turn darker. I was so happy that I could get this tag when I purchased this piece at the store. Because it is Mother's Day, so Louis Vuitton had the machine at the store, so we could pick out the color of the tag and the letters to have it hot stamped. And they allow only 3 letters, but I asked if he could do 5 letters for me, and he agreed to do it. So I had Lena on the tag here. You can also take the luggage tag off and replace it with a charm. I use a coin pouch from the Boite Pochette accessory as a charm right here. It is so cute together. You can have coins in here or the headset, or if you fold your cash, you can have it in here too. I think it looks so cute together. You can also leave the coin pouch on as a charm with the luggage tag. It is so cute together. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. If you did, thanks for coming back. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye now.